How to use Simplilearn properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Simplilearn is a top online learning platform, but beginners often make mistakes that reduce course effectiveness or slow progress. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not choosing the right course. Most people get this wrong by picking courses without aligning them with career goals. Review course outcomes, prerequisites, and skill requirements before enrolling. Second mistake, skipping learning schedules. You won't believe how many learners start a course but fall behind due to poor planning. Set a consistent study schedule and stick to it to retain knowledge and complete certifications on time. Third mistake, ignoring hands-on practice. The surprising truth is that Simplilearn emphasizes practical labs, projects, and simulations. Beginners who skip these miss valuable skill-building opportunities. Fourth mistake, neglecting community and support. Simplilearn offers forums, mentors, and peer interactions. Using these resources helps clarify doubts, expand understanding, and network effectively. Finally, not tracking progress is common. Simplilearn provides dashboards and quizzes. Monitoring your progress ensures you're meeting learning objectives and identifying areas for improvement. Using Simplilearn properly means selecting the right course, maintaining a study schedule, engaging in hands-on practice, leveraging community support, and tracking progress. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll get the most out of your learning experience.